This is how you change the cabin filter, indoor air filter on a Toyota RAV4. This is an older model. It's a 2003, a D4D diesel one. So the glove box, open it up. You just press it here and here. Gonna come down. This is your air filter here. You wanna squeeze here and here inwards. The air filter is gonna come out. This air filter, I don't think it's ever been changed. I don't know. You just carefully remove it. You're gonna discard it. You get your new air filter. You just put it in. Make sure it's well seated and put it back in. Make sure it sits well. Press here and close it back up. It was that easy. Okay, hope this helped. Bye.